education doesn't need to be reformed. It needs to be transformed. The key is not to standardize education, but to personalize it, to build achievement on discovering the individual talents of each child, and to put students in an environment where they want to learn and where they can naturally discover their true passions. Greetings to all, and this is Sindhu Panikar back again with yet another episode of GHRC News Desk. Let's hear for the headlines today. National Students Parliament at GHRC, online teaching learning on MOOC's courses, virtual lab visit for the freshers batch, and NAC awareness workshop at GHRC. Now, the news in detail. National Students Parliament is usually held at GH Vaisuni College of Engineering every year, and this year also it is scheduled on 22nd and 23rd January 2020 by the institution. In view of the current pandemic situation, this program was held through online mode of WebEx, and in this program various eminent speakers were invited for the talk. The program was inaugurated by Mrs. Hema Malini, actress, and Mr. Ajay Sancheti, member of Rajya Sabha, on 22nd Jan 2020. A total of 5 sessions is held on both these days, including today, in which third session was hosted by GHRC. The session was on Life in 2030, 10 Crucial Years Ahead, with the speakers Shri Kunal Joshi, Dr. Sunil Gupta, Dr. Prakash Babe Ante, and Mr. Amrit Bam. The moderator for the session was Mr. Rashmit Hashmi. All speakers focused on the life of human being in 2030 and shared the futuristic vision to all the attendees. In the second session, each speaker had expressed their opinion on others' address, and in the last session, all commented on the life in 2030 for various age groups, that is schools and college students, senior citizens, females, etc. The session shall be very knowledgeable and open the vision of common person for the visualization of 2030. Moving on to the next update on the online teaching learning at GHRC. Online teaching learning provides students with more flexibility through a self-directed approach to learning through MOOC courses like SWAYAM, NPTEL, Coursera, and ISO e-learning. NPTEL is an acronym for National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, which is an initiative by 7 Indian Institute of Technology like IIT Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, and Roorkee, and Indian Institute of Sciences for creating course contents in engineering and sciences. GHRC established NPTEL local chapter since June 2018, and so as to enable the students and faculties to enroll the courses from IITs and get the certificate. GHRC also offers credit transfer scheme through NPTEL courses. Until now, 4,006 students and faculties appeared for NPTEL examination, out of which 12 candidates are in the topper category, 9 in gold category, 66 in silver category, 267 in elite category, and GHRC got best certified count improvement in Jan to April 2020 and July to December 2019 sessions. And Professor Mangala Mandarkar is POC of NPTEL, and she got active SPOC award for sessions 2 years, 2018, 19 and 2019. And she had also delivered a session on NPTEL awareness workshop organized by IIT Madras for Maharashtra region. Professor Uma Yadav and Professor Shweta Kharat did translation of NPTEL English language contents into regional Hindi language for subject Artificial Intelligence, Search Method and Problem Solving. Mr. Kunal Gadekar from Civil Department nominated for NPTEL Enthusiastic under NPTEL Star Performance category. Ms. Nikita Kumari, Ms. Chinmay Nayak, Ms. Yesh, Mr. Rahul Mansure nominated for NPTEL Believer under NPTEL Star Performance category Learners Central. E-learning courses are provided by the IIRS ISRO Outreach Program. GHRC is also part of the IIRS ISRO Outreach Program since 2018 and conducted many courses under this. Till now, GHRC is a part of conducting 12 courses where 20 students are beneficiary of this. Professor Mangala Mandarkar is the in charge of digital learning and handling all the activities of this related to digital learning like SWAYAM, NPTEL, ISRO, NMI, CET, Virtual Lab, etc. The next news is about the report on virtual lab visit at GH Vaisuni College. Usually, GHRC organizes various eye-opener activities for the students to upgrade their knowledge, and this year, during pandemic, Department of First Year has organized virtual lab visit for newly admitted BTech students. Keeping in mind the interdisciplinary approach, students of different branches visited labs of various other branches irrespective of their own. Labs visited by the students are Drone Lab, Artificial Intelligence Lab, Yamaha and Automobile Lab of Mechanical Department, Yantra Lab from Center of Excellence of IoT, CAD, CAM, FMS, Innovation Gallery, Fax and Drive Lab. Moving on to the next appraised, Department of Computer Science and Engineering has organized one-day workshop by Dr. Ganesh A. Hegde, NAC Advisor, Bangalore, for faculty members all over India on 8 Jan 2021 through online mode of WebEx, where 160 participants were witnessed. Dr. Ganesh A. Hegde talked about the effect of globalization, privatization and liberalization, which started becoming visible in the field of higher education, and everyone concerned has realized the importance of quality assurance in the context of the global competition. With higher education becoming an international service, there is growing concern in the world over about quality, standard and recognition. Consequent to this trend, the debate on how benchmarks should be evolved for ascertaining and assuring quality at different levels of higher education is significant. NAC initiative to promote the concept of best practices benchmarking has also set the stages of identification, dissemination, sustenance and adaptation of best practices of their transference from one system to the other. Accreditation involves the validation process in which universities, colleges and other institutions of higher learning are evaluated. The NAC realizes that to fulfill its mandate of assuring the quality of higher education in India, it has to go beyond the mere conduct for the process of accreditation. The objective of conducting this awareness program workshop for the non-accredited colleges is to acquaint the colleges about the benefits of accreditation and to explain the colleges about the procedures to go for the accreditation. The event was successfully coordinated by Dr. B.K. Verma, Dr. Prasad Lokuvel and Mr. Pranay Saraf. With all the here initiatives in GHRC, it is evident that the journey of this pandemic situation has resulted in power and utility of technology that have exponentially increased, and with no doubt, acceptance and preparedness are the tools that shall empower to face the changes that comes with a challenge. With that note, this is Sindhu Panikkar signing off from GHRC's News Desk. Stay safe and stay updated with us. Goodbye.